Linking your bank account to Habib Bank Limited in Switzerland is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth setup. Step 1. Gather required documents. Before starting the linking process, collect all necessary documents. This typically includes your identification, passport or ID card, proof of address, utility bill or bank statement, and your existing bank account details. Step 2. Visit the official website. Go to the official Habib Bank Limited Switzerland website. Look for the section related to online banking or account services. This will provide you with the necessary information and links to start the linking process. Step 3. Complete the online application. Fill out the online application form for linking your bank account. Ensure that all information is accurate and matches the documents you have gathered. Double check for any errors before submitting. Step 4. Verification process. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Confirmation and access. Once your account is successfully linked, you will receive a confirmation from Habib Bank Limited. Follow any additional instructions provided to access your linked account through their online banking platform. In conclusion, linking your bank account to Habib Bank Limited Switzerland involves gathering documents, completing an online application, and waiting for verification. By following these steps, you can easily manage your banking needs.